Hey there, it's Shrini. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own packaging for hair scrunchies. So to get started, you're going to need 2 pieces of cardstock, a scoring stylus, some Cricut markers. I'm using the metallic set, a standard grip mat. You can see this one's been well loved, and a fine point blade. Cricut Access has different bags, boxes, and even tags that you could use. So these are the ones that I'm using today. And I want to say when you add your text to the tag, make sure you change it to draw. And then I'm going to attach this onto the tag. And now I'm ready to click Make It. So everything looks good here. I'm going to click Continue. My materials, I'm going to select light cardstock. And then for my tools, I'm going to click Edit Tools and change this to the scoring stylus. If you're using the scoring wheel, you could just leave it like that. Click Apply. And now I'm ready to go to the machine. Design Space is showing me that my first cut is going to be my bag, so I want to make sure to use my cardstock that's meant for my bag first. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my mat. Just flip that up for a minute. Make sure it's pressed on. Okay, now I'm ready to load this in the machine. Now before I hit start, I'm going to need to load in my scoring stylus. So I'll just go ahead and get this opened up and then I'll show you how to load it in. In slot B, I have my fine point blade loaded. So in slot A, I'm going to install my scoring stylus with the arrow facing down. Now I'm ready to cut. Just finished cutting, so I'm going to flip this over upside down and slowly peel it away from the mat. Now that I got the excess off, okay, now I'm ready to load my white piece of cardstock. Okay, the first thing I need to do is remove my scoring stylus, and then I'm going to install my marker. Okay, now I'm ready to cut this one. To assemble this, I'm going to fold in the score lines. And then I'm going to place glue here and here. Just letting the glue sit up to get tacky, and then I will press it together. Just going to wipe off the excess glue onto this piece of paper, and then I'm going to take these clips that I got from the dollar store and clip it together and wait for it to be fully dry. Now that this has had time to dry, I'm going to remove my clips. And then I can insert my scrunchie. Then I'm going to take my twine with the tag and wrap it around. you're finished.